Hello folks, well I'm in a secret location. As you know, I've got a safe to get out. Hope nobody notices. So I ain't got much, I've just got a bloody great big pry bar on a block of wood. My first problem is going to be, stick that under there, it touches the wall there. So I'm probably going to have to go, that moved a bit didn't it then, stick it under there with that out here. I'm going to try and do this one-handed as well. Here Lee, just lift that end up for me.
I don't lift it.
That, just lift that so I can get my fulcrum, my pivot point, a little bit closer to that corner. And let's see if, with the help of this young gentleman, say hello Lee.
Hello.
Bloody hell, lad. Speaking to 10 million people here on YouTube and you just go hello. Right, go on, push around with me. Oh, right, that went. Keep that there.
Yep.
We got a wedge, and we're hoping there's a different kind of wedge inside of that safe. Don't let go. Right, so you're going to be losing his fingers here. Right, let it down. Oh, let it up, should I say. Right, up a bit more. I can get that underneath. Now lift it up, then I can get that block of wood a bit closer. Do you know how physics works?
Got that in physics.
I didn't. Hang on. Get a bit closer. That's it. There then. Now we try again. Oh, we're hitting that piece of wood now. There. Right. Hang on. That means I should be able to get it there now without touching the wall. Alright. Time to get in the hole. Here, you film.
Go on.
Oh! Well, I can see I've got one raw bolt out the floor. And I'm going to be buggered there, aren't I? And I'm pushing against the stairs there. Right. I'm working up a sweat here, so and I'm getting an audience, everybody's watching me. Look at that, they all want to know if there's another one. What is it? They all want to know what's in here. God. Right. Okay. So sticking out the ground out of that hole there was that bolt. But it looks like there's one in that corner, which means I don't have the space there to leave it up. So I'm going to try. Oh, that didn't work. Can't do it one-handed, sorry. Okay. I just don't have the room. Focus under there, like that. Focus. There's nothing holding it on that side, so it's got to be just on the other side of this crowbar. Right, there we go. I'll just have to, well, I'll just have to do what I normally say. If in doubt, give it a clout. So that was a bit of a failed attempt there, wasn't it? But to be honest, I didn't quite have enough time. So I'm back in the shed and I'm going to get some more equipment. We can just, whoa, squeeze in here. Hey. We're not got very much space at the moment, but we're getting there. Right, so, you know my problem, I brought this bolt home. As you can see, it sheared off when I hit it with that big wrecking bar. So I'm big chisel, big lump hammer, might do the trick. I got thinking maybe I can saw through the bolt. Well, when I use my sawzall, which I usually use for sawing wood, as you can see it's got big rough teeth on the thing. Well, I'm thinking if I can find something with a smaller blade, and I keep all my sawzall blades up there, so I'll get them down. We've changed the blade. Let's see if it even touches this. No. It's going to have to be that metal cutting blade then. Or I might have a hacksaw blade in there somewhere. I knew I had a hacksaw blade somewhere, so maybe well, that's working. So maybe that's an option. I feel that there's one more thing. I feel as though I didn't adequately have the right gear. I mean, I'm taking a safe and I'm wearing a high-vis hat and I'm wearing a high-vis coat. So I think this might just help me. You reckon? Yes, Your Honour. I've got a safe handler's licence. So I'll see you lot in the next one. Hopefully, I'll have a safe. Take care.